Hi, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be showcasing the MacCase iPad Pro leather flight jacket from MacCase. So you can see the fine stitching details. Here's a very nice zipper up here. The lining inside, we're going to move the camera back some. The lining is black and it's very nice inside. This is for accessories. You might say, well, I have an iPad Pro and an iPad Pencil. Where does that go? Great that you asked that question, because the iPad Pencil is protected right here, and it goes right here. So that's where it would go, right there. So easy to remove. You have two accessory pockets, one on each side. Again, the fine stitching continues throughout the front and around the side, and you have a very nice buckle here. So inside, the straps and everything are included. And this is a highly protective lining. It's padded. I can feel it's padded all the way around. No scratching at all. And like I said, the straps are available right there. So this keeps it all nice and the right size. Goes all the way down to the bottom so it doesn't stop. And the bottom is also padded for the bottom part of your iPad, because we know that's important too. You don't want dings on the bottom or the sides. So that's the front of the MacCase. And on the back, you have the brand MacCase and the signature on the bottom. There you go. And then this is the final pocket, which is on the back. Has the same lining as the top pocket in the front, and it goes all the way down to this stitched area here. It also feels like it's padded on the one side, and then you have the leather on this side protecting whatever you put back here. So this is the MacCase flight jacket for the iPad Pro. And then here are the straps. And there you go. It's just as simple as plugging this in and you're off to the races. Or you want access to your iPad Pro, you just flip it open, grab your Apple Pencil, and there you are.